Hello, in this video tutorial we will solve this problem. This is problem number 1, easy level, and we have to simplify this algebraic expression and transform this complicated algebraic expression into a simple equivalent algebraic expression. We have here in this problem that letter A is less than 2b and bigger than 0. Let's get started and solve this problem, simplify this expression. First of all, we have to let's denote this numerator of our first fraction as a, and write our a, which is equal to square root of a squared minus 4ab plus 4b squared. This can be written as the square root of a minus 2b squared. And since we know that square root of some number x squared is absolute value of x is equal to absolute value of x, we will have this is equal to absolute value of a minus 2b. And since here, from this condition, if we write this condition, if we subtract 2b, we will have a minus 2b less than 0, right? That's why this expression, this is less than 0, and by definition of absolute value, let's write here the definition of the absolute value. Absolute value of x is equal to x if x is bigger or equal to 0, and this is minus x if x is less than 0. Since here we have that our expression is less than 0, this will be equal to minus this expression, and it will be equal to 2b minus a. So this part is equal to 2b minus a. And let's using the same technique, we can simplify a denominator of our fraction, which is equal to b. b is equal to, let's rewrite it, this is a squared plus 4ab and plus 4b squared. This is equal to a plus 2b squared under the square root, and this is equal to absolute value of a plus 2b. And this is always, a plus 2b is always positive. That's why this is equal to a plus 2b by the definition of absolute value. So our expression, this expression, a over b is equal to our a over b is equal to 2b minus a divided by 2b plus a. 2b plus a. And that's why if we rewrite our problem, our initial problem, it will be equal to, let's write it as, this is equal to star, and our star is equal to 2b minus a over 2b plus a minus 8ab. And here in our initial problem, in this term, a denominator can be written as a minus 2b times a plus 2b. So here we write a minus 2b times a plus 2b. Here we used the formula that x squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y times x plus y. If you don't know these shortcut multiplication formulas, you always can watch Algebra playlist, beginning of Algebra playlist, watch my channel, and there you can find all of my playlists and learn how to use these shortcut multiplication formulas in real life. Next, we rewrite the third term of our problem. Plus 2b over a minus 2b. Here we have the sum of three algebraic fractions, and using standard technique, we perform addition, and denominator of common denominator of our total fraction will be a minus 2b times a plus 2b. And in this case, we have to multiply numerator of our first fraction multiplied by a minus 2b, and the third fraction, numerator of third fraction, must be multiplied by a plus 2b. And if we rewrite, we will have 2b minus a times a minus 2b minus 8ab and plus 2b times a plus 2b. Let's denote numerator of our complicated fraction as c, and write that c is equal to this term is equal to minus a minus 2b squared. And if we rewrite, it will be minus a minus 2b squared minus 8ab plus 2ab and plus 4b squared. Here, this is equal to minus a squared minus 4ab plus 4b squared. And of course, these two terms, minus 8ab plus 2ab, will give us minus 6ab. Let's rewrite, and we will have minus a squared plus 4ab minus 4b squared minus 6ab plus 4b squared. we immediately note that we will have a cancellation here, and this 4ab minus 2ab is equal to minus 2ab. That's why it will be equal to minus a squared minus 2ab, or this is equal to minus a times a plus 2b. So this is c, and here we just transformed numerator of our final fraction, and if we rewrite and turn back to our problem, we will have minus a times a plus 2b over this denominator, which is a minus 2b times a plus 2b. We see that we can perform a cancellation, and resulting answer of our problem will be minus a divided by a minus 2b, or it can be written as a divided by 2b minus a. And that's all. This is the final answer of our problem. So our initial problem, this algebraic expression, is equivalent to this final expression. Thank you very much for your attention.